What's up, everyone? It's Alex Branning here on today's Winning Wednesday call, October 30th. And what a month it has been in October. We started releasing branding bundles. We just got done with the Level Up Summit in Dallas, Texas, where High Level released over 300 updates. I'm going to briefly show you a few of my favorites. And we have a blog post that goes over a lot more of our favorite new features in Agent CRM. But I want to start first by just sharing a little bit of our vision and what we're building here and where we're going as a company, and what we're doing with Agent CRM. Our goal is to create a technology platform where you can seamlessly integrate all the different tools that you're using inside of Agent CRM. We want you to be able to pull your quoter inside of Agent CRM. We want you to be able to pull your video meeting software inside of Agent CRM. We want Agent CRM to be the hub. Our goal is to create a platform that's easy for you to use, that's very easy for you to integrate with other tools, and to build your business with us inside of Agent CRM. So to that end, you're going to notice a lot of new features that are coming out where we're seamlessly integrating some of these cool new tools that we found that we think are a great fit for you. So inside the branding bundles, you're going to see things like Lead Boost, which is data enrichment, which we think is a game changer for our insurance agents to use to help close more deals. You're going to see us start talking about tools like QuickMeet, a video meeting software that's designed for insurance agents with recording capabilities, coach mode, and more. You're going to see us talk about integrating iQuote, which is a really awesome quoting tool that we have found, discovered, and invested in, that we believe is going to be a great way for agents to maximize the value of every client interaction they have. So you're going to see us talking about that more over the next couple of weeks and into the new year. You're also going to hear us talk about creating more workflows and other assets to help you. We want this entire system to be very plug and play. Of course, you have all the rights and the freedom to make any and all changes to the things that we give you, but we want to set you up so that you don't feel like you have to get in and have to build these things out from scratch. So I'm going to be sharing with you some of our branding bundles. You can look back at our other videos if you're interested, and see how to use these branding bundles. But we're going to be creating branding bundles for every insurance product. What is a branding bundle? Branding bundle is a combination of assets that includes funnels, so beautifully designed funnels that help to turn your traffic into appointments. We have workflows for every step of the customer journey. We have email templates. These emails are professionally written, both with a copywriter and sometimes with the use of ChatGPT to kind of fill in the gaps. And then we have pipelines so that you can stay visually organized and see where your clients are every step of the way. So we are really investing a lot into making your marketing very plug and play, very easy to use. So with that in mind, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen now, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about what we've got inside of Agent CRM. I'm going to pop open and go to, this is the annuities click and play branding bundle. Let me show you real quick before I dive in to what we have here. This is our click and play library. So you can see this on the left-hand menu, click and play assets. Under here, you can see all of the different branding bundles that we have right now: Medicare, ACA, life insurance, final expense, annuities, which I'm going to talk about today, and IUL. These are all available now inside of the click and play library, ready to go. Coming up very soon is the home and auto, our PNC branding bundle. And then if you are looking for a bundle and you don't see it, we would love for you to give us your feedback. What is it that you want us to add? What is it that you want us to build? And then your email. The reason why we're asking for your email, so we can notify you when it's ready. So you can access this on the left-hand menu inside of Agent CRM under click and play assets. You can see all of our branding bundles, and they all have training videos so that you know how to use all the assets that we've created for you. Now I'm going to dive into the annuities branding bundle, and I'm just going to show you what we've got set up. Now, for those of you that are in Agent CRM already, and you're aware, like, hey, I know what, I recognize this, right? So here we have annuities. We have lead generation. So check this out. So inside the lead generation, we have um, these workflows that you can turn on. So this is for to receive a new lead from a Facebook lead or a lead vendor. It tags it appropriately and then sends it off to the new lead workflow. These listen for comments on your Facebook or Instagram posts, and it starts a conversation with them using Facebook or Instagram Messenger. Then we have the text in, which is cool. So if somebody texts in the word annuity into your agent CRM phone number, um, then this is so cool. It will actually start a conversation with them and get them on your calendar. So uh, really cool stuff that we've got in here. Now let's go through the new lead. In the new lead pipeline, and excuse my voice, I'm just getting over a cold. In the new lead pipeline, we've got a lot of things going on in here. Let me get to these actions later, but we've got some an email and text sent right away, and then we wait a little bit, another email and text, and then we wait another couple of days. We send another text, email, text. I mean, we are really pushing hard to get them on your calendar. Once we've established they're a new lead, we want them to get on your calendar. Once they schedule an appointment, they are removed from this workflow, and they are then put into the appointment confirmation workflow. But at the very top of this, I want you to see this. Um, we've got a lot of things that are going on here that will help you turn more of your leads into appointments and sales. That's what we believe. First, we've got this so that you can add this new person to your Facebook custom audience. So now you can retarget them. Same thing with the Google Analytics. You can retarget them on Google Ads. Then we've got an add to workflow 2.1, which is initiate agent AI. This means that when they respond, agent AI will actually almost immediately respond on your behalf. So this is going to be great for you as you are, getting a whole bunch of leads, and it may be overwhelming to try to respond to all these incoming text messages and responses. Maybe they have a couple questions. So once you've set up agent AI, and then this workflow action here will initiate agent AI. Now, if you don't have agent AI set up, that's fine. This workflow is actually off by default, the initiate agent AI. So this step is sending a message to the initiate agent AI workflow. However, if this workflow is off, nothing happens. So it just skips right on down to the next one. And then here we have the lead boost data enrichment. This is so important for annuities. So lead boost, what it does is you send it all the information that you have. And what lead boost does is it finds the information that they have filled out on publicly accessible forms like loan applications, etc. So it's very common to find their net income, assets that they own, their credit scores, things like that. And it actually updates the contact for you inside of Agent CRM using Lead Boost. So definitely recommend implementing Lead Boost, especially as you're looking to sell more annuities. All right. So, and those are all found in here in the new lead. So see how I said initiate AI is on draft mode. So once you're confident that agent AI is set up and it's going to be, it's well trained, then turn that sucker on and it's going to help you. So here's the appointment scheduled, workflows, appointment completed, sale made. And then we have referral requests and cross sells set up inside of the workflow. So you don't even have to do anything, like it's already set up and ready to rock and roll. Now, let's say you've got some leads in your database and you want to get them on your calendar, but you don't want to push them too hard because they didn't fill out a form recently. We got a great lead nurture sequence here, and you can add all of your leads to this sequence. We've written out emails for you that will send an email a month for a year. The goal is to get them to hop on your calendar. So check this out inside of your Agent CRM library here. We've got an email sent out once a month. These are great emails. They do a good job of generating curiosity, informing your customers of what's going on, and encouraging them to hop on the calendar with you so that you can help them identify the perfect annuity for them. So that is the annuities branding bundle. That's the automations we have. I'm going to jump over to the sites. I'll show you the funnel that we built out. Here's the annuity funnel. So again, this is all free. This is all included with your agent CRM. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and click on visit page, and then I'm going to come back into the other tab here. Now, just as a note, this entire funnel is easily controlled using the customizer tool. So it is so easy for you to edit this workflow. I'm sorry, to edit this website. Just open up the Agent CRM customizer, change the logo and colors, and it changes it in the funnel. You don't have to know how to edit funnels. You just have to know how to upload a logo and select a color. It's so easy. So this funnel is here, talks about annuities, uses your profile photo. So this is just an uploaded photo that we have in the customizer. Everything you need to know about annuities at a glance. We talk about what is an annuity, some important details. Here's some testimonials. Again, those are uploaded inside of the customizer. And then we have an FAQ section here. So this is a website you can be proud of. It's built out. It's ready to go. You would just go into the customizer to make sure that it's branded to you with your information, your testimonials, and your colors. You find that customizer right at the very top of your agent CRM on the left-hand side. And so you would just click on the customizer, go in there, and it takes you maybe 15 minutes to fill the whole thing out. Once it's filled out, ready to go, then those logos, those colors, not only does that change your funnel, it also changes all the emails that go out as well, which is so cool, right? Like, we have really made this easy for you. We built this whole thing out. So that's the annuities branding bundle. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help. I want to talk about some of the cool new things that have come out. And I want to start by going into the workflows. So I'm going to create a new workflow in here. I'm going to delete it right afterwards, but I'm going to click Start from Scratch. This is a cool new tool inside of Agent CRM called Workflow AI. So this is in beta, but you can access it here. And so I'm going to click, hey, I want to assist with building. And so it's like, okay, well, tell me what you need. So I'm going to say, I want to help me create a workflow that is triggered when someone fills out my form. I want to get notified, and I want to send the results to the prospect. All right, so now what Workflow AI is going to do is it's going to walk me through how to set up this workflow. So here you go. So it walks through and says, okay, well, let's figure this out together. To create a workflow triggered when someone fills out the form, here you go. Set the trigger, add the action, send the email to the prospect, finalize and publish, right? How cool is that? So it like literally gives you a quick little how-to on how to make the whole thing work. Now, let me go back to the workflow that we've created. So I'm going to delete this workflow because I don't want to clutter up what's going on here inside of this account. So confirm. So I'm going to delete this. All right. So let me go into the annuities assets. I'm going to go into the new lead campaign. And I'm going to go back into Workflow AI. And I'm going to say, describe this workflow. Scan and describe what this workflow will do. So here you go. So now it's analyzing the workflow. So this is fun. So when you get some of the workflows from us, and you're like, what's happening here? Workflow AI can help explain what's going on. So isn't this cool? So it's explaining kind of what's going on here. And so there you go. And then if you're stuck and you're like, okay, how do I edit the emails in this workflow? So it's going to walk you through how to do that. So that's Workflow AI. It's cool. It's in beta. They're going to be adding some more stuff to it. But this is available now inside of Agent CRM. So they did a good job with it. It's fun. Right now, it's more of an explanatory tool. It doesn't build workflows yet, but yeah. So that's one of the new things that they've been working on. So something else that's cool is in calendars. So well, this one doesn't actually. I'm choosing a sublocation in here that doesn't actually have any contacts or calendars. So, but under the availability, they actually have a troubleshooting tool, so you can troubleshoot some of the calendars that you have. And so it helps you identify. See this troubleshoot calendar here? So it helps you identify. Now, this is going to show that there's no availability because there's not a user attached to it. So that's why. Yeah, see, so it's going to say, this is the draft calendar. There's nothing to troubleshoot. Um, but when you have it connected and you click on troubleshoot calendar, you can see why different times are shown as blocked off or not available to book. It'll tell you exactly what conflicts it is seeing. So that's going to help a lot if you have like multiple people on the same calendar. You can see kind of what's going on. Where is it? Why is it showing blocked off, or why is it showing available? And that'll help you to really narrow down, your availability, and to make sure that the calendar is working as you intended. So that's pretty cool. And then, so let's go back. A couple other fun things to check out in here. So they did a lot of cool new things under the marketing tab. So let me pull that open. There's a couple things in here. They got some countdown timers. Now the countdown timers are fun because what it does, you can input those countdown timers on your emails, and you can use that same countdown timer on a funnel, and they'll kind of talk to each other. So the prospect will see the same countdown timer if they see it on your in your email and on your funnel. The countdowns will align. So that's really cool. I like that a lot. Then they have brand boards. So this is nice. We kind of solved this with the customizer, but this is they recognized what we're doing here, and they're creating a brand board. So this helps set the default colors for the emails and such. But you don't really need that because we took it the extra mile with the account customizer, which is available inside of your agent CRM account. And then under opportunities, man, they really took this up to the next level. So I'm so happy about this. So with opportunities, what you can do here, you can manage fields. So now you can really customize like how this looks, which is nice. And so like every single pipeline can have different fields that are showing up, right? So let's say, for this one, I don't want to show the lost reason. So, but I do want to see when it was created on, right? And then as far as contact details, opportunity details, let's say for the contact details, I want to show the phone number, right? So now this is what it's going to look like. See here, see the opportunity name. So now it's going to show business name, the opportunity source, whether it was referral, Facebook, etc. The value, which you can dictate that, created on, and the phone number. So that's pretty cool. And then not only can you do that, but you can add notes specific to the opportunity, which is great. So now you can say, okay, I want to add a note here so I know kind of where I left off, and you can see it on the opportunities tab. So that note is saved on the opportunity, whereas before you only had notes on the contact. And so I love adding notes on contacts because it helps me stay organized, but I also love working in the opportunities view, right? And so now I get to see certain notes in the opportunities view. That just helps me out when I'm doing my prospecting. So for me, at my role in the company, I like to call people who have canceled, and I like to call some of our power partners. And so I like to see all of that in the pipelines. And the customizing card helps a lot because I want to see different stats or different data when I'm going through the cancel pipeline than when I'm going through a pipeline for like power partners, right? So this is very helpful for that. So if you have any questions about Agent CRM, we would love to help out. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this Winning Wednesday here and go on to, I'm going to get ready for a call that's coming up in just a bit here. But if you have any questions, you want to see a live demo, go to our website at agent-crm.com. We are here to help. And I would love to work with you. So if you are watching this and you don't already have an account, go to agent-crm.com, set up a free trial so that you can learn a little bit more about us. You can experience what we've got. You can go through that customizer. You can get all those click and play assets. You can experience the 300 plus new upgrades that Agent CRM has gotten since last week. And we're here to help. So we got free phone support, free live chat support, free Zoom support, a great Facebook group that I'd love you all to join. Um, and what was the other one? I'm missing one. Anyway, we got so many different ways to support you and your business. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in our Facebook group. Thank you.